Scuba Steve, and we're going to show you how we change a light bulb in a swimming pool in the beginning of November. Who does this shit? But we're in Florida, so here it goes. Grab my tools, and I'm going in.
No, you're not going to step in? You're just going to jump?
Yeah, I'm just going to hop in right here.
Oh, gee.
We just step in.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Wow, it's deep. That was so cold. Uh-huh. A little too cold?
Yeah, but I see what it is. It's flat.